Hey, what's up? We took a 4 to 5 day trip to Quebec. Me, my buddy, and another buddy who happens to also own another YouTube channel. We're from the New York area, so it was a little bit of a drive. Not too bad. Day one, went to Vermont. Actually saw Skills with Phil there, leaving by the time we arrived, so we knew it was going to be a good shred session. Bear something. Flowy, jumpy in the beginning, to speed, to somewhat enduro tech towards the end. I was a little bit worried because I thought we were gonna get to St. Raymond's in, like 3 in the morning, but no, we made great time after that. So that's basically what we're doing for day one. All right, first stop of the trip. Really nice crisp town in Vermont, section of the Kingdom Trails. I'm gonna pedal up. Try and do it quick, right? Because, yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a road trip into Quebec after this still, so give it a go. All right, so started the Garmin a little late with apparently a 700-foot climb. We're a little bit more used to 5, which is fine. We're doing 2 runs, I think. So we get the workout in. Hopefully all descend after each climb. Not sure. All right, we're up here. Cool. Suspension unlocked. All right, going down partial of Black Bear. Oh yeah, that wind already. Let's see what kind of trouble we could get into here. Oh yeah, this is cool. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Oh my god, this is so sweet. Double. Yo! There's so many doubles in here, oh my god. Dude, are you tired already? Watch out. Ooh. So much pumping. Oh. Wow. I love that.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, nice.
That's really cool. Why does that work at Mock Chicken?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. Like even just like doubles like this, wow. To go through that. Oh yeah. Some wow. I don't want to risk anything. Oh, oh my god. I gotta take it easy. Wow. Very cool. Okay. So this is still Black Bear. Oh, a little bit of rocks this time. Wow. Shift the gear. Interesting. What is this? All right. Yes, sir.
Keep going. Oh, yo, that trail looks good. Keep going. That trail looks good.
Don't be tempted by shred.
My bad. It was refreshing. It's interesting. Oh. Someone just hit me in the lip. It's arguably one of the most fun flow trails I've ever done. It has so many doubles, the berms are mint, it's very smooth in a lot of spots, even with like the little rocks and bits. It's just so fun to maneuver around and like hop back and forth.
And the dirt.
Woo, woo, woo.
Dropping into bucks.
More doubles. Just smash the front wheel and that'll do it. That's funny. Oh, what's that noise?
That's my rear brake right now.
That's good. Oh, a little too much front. Just get. Wow. Don't take my lines. Little line. Yo, you good? Oh my God. Now this is enduro. Wow. Oh my God. Hang on. What do you think about that one? I'm gonna choose his line because he's usually a little bit better at these things than I am. Oh. Is it?
I can't tell, but I got it on my phone.
All right, let me do it one more time. I want to figure this out on my own too, so I never really do that. Ah, it was my headset. It's good to test the back wheel I just built. Oh wow. Sweet. Whoa. What am I doing? Yeah, I just keep getting pushed to the left, or the right rather.
Come down.
Yeah, it's all right. I mean, if we get any closer, man, you're gonna hit the edge of the trail, so it's not a bad thing. Oh yeah? Oh mama. All right, he's getting a little bit more speed. Whoops. Just all this random. Whoa. I'm hoping that was a twig. Oh God, there's a tree there. Oh, I didn't realize the tree was leaning in. Losing grip here. Nice. Hello. Wow. All right, that's a little fast. Oh, this poor new wheel. Wow. This is so cool. Killer.
Should we get 2 rides in?
Are we right at the bottom?
Yeah. Well, what we could do is we can go back up from here, do like a half.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my God. Yo, he's hauling. All right. Oh my God. It's getting so tight in here. I lost my footing. Oh my God. They're designed to buck you, which is hilarious.
Take a look at this later. Kind of down, please.
Yeah. Yeah, nice. Nice. Yo. Nice. Good pull up, wow. Yo, nice. Yo. Whoa. Crazy.
That's probably a photo jump.
GoPro synchronized. Nice. Just a few turns to make you tired.
It's nice being able to see everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That setting was cool too, the sunset.
This is the most painful part of this process, just for one small bit that I came up with a week ago, and I go, yeah, bro, that's totally funny. Definitely funny. Let's do that bit. Okay.